Here I prepared already the flower colors. Actually, the first line is the primary color, like the red flower, yellow, orange, and etc. The base will be white, and the zest will be darkish. I put something in a mixture between the brown and black. So literally, these are separate flowers. Now we will be smudging our brush into these varieties. Just literally smudging. So let's start with red. We smudge, and at the end it should be like this. So we smudge white and red, and at the end of the brush it should be dark, because this is our flower. Then we put it like this, completely vertically, and we smudge and turn. Let's take the pink. I even didn't wash it. It can even add more power into it. Blackish, blackish, blackish. Up. And smudge and turn. Smudge and turn. Smudge and turn. And again, you have a beautiful flower. I even can mix them. Actually, you don't have much of the rules in here. The main rule is smudge and turn. Smudge and turn. And look at these layers. Beautiful layers we already have. Oop! I didn't wash the brush. Let's take the different color. Let's try with this. Like this. I tried to take all three. Smudge and turn. And turn. Even the textures popped out. Accessible for everybody. Everybody can do like this. And you already can have a beautiful painting with abstract flowers. The only thing you need to do is smudge and turn. Like literally. Probably I will wash my brush to have clear tinges. So it's a very quick painting. See, I try to take all three colors to have a beautiful smudge. So if you have some kind of the task to paint flowers or the spring painting, and the style is not mentioned, it can be any style. So this, for example, like a really quick acrylic painting, and the result is quite nice.